My name is Robert Drive. I hate Tom, Angela, Hank, Ginger, Ben, and that annoying Becca. They obey my boss, the raccoon. I operate chainsaws, shoot lasers, and can fly with my jet-powered feet. Oh, how interesting. Rabbits are the worst thing I hate, just like Becca. Tom ruined everything. I want that idiot dead. Want to play hide and seek. Boss, the lizard robot is glitching again. Please fix it. I'm so pissed. Some days I just can't kill these annoying, disgusting heroes. Overall, good one. That was a good one. Where are you, Tom? Where are you, Angela? Where are you, Hank, Ginger, and Ben? Where is Becca Sparkles?